Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? And as long with that, you are also tired of paying brokerage to multiple brokers but not able to finalize one single property yet? Well, you have arrived at the right destination. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online prop tech service. Now, what exactly is a prop tech service? This is the place where we help you do virtual site tours. So you don't actually have to visit physically to 10 different sites to finalize or to shortlist a property. What we will do is that we will tell you everything about the property, the land parcel, the amenities, the towers, the configurations, the price, and also if the sample flat is ready, we'll show that to you as well right over here. And once you have seen it, then you can go ahead with the booking process. Now, let me also tell you that at Property Cloud, we connect you directly with the developers, and thereby we also offer you many spot payment options, booking offers, and many other discounts and vouchers as well. Now, if this was not enough, let me also tell you that when we are doing all of this for you, we're also making it sure that it is hassle-free and brokerage-free. You heard it right. It's absolutely zero brokerage for you when you are buying a property with us right here at Property Cloud. So I am Ekta Kapoor and I'm going to take you on the site visit, a virtual site visit of a very beautiful property. Want to know which one? Stay with me, I'm just moving there. And today I am here at Puravankara's Atmosphere. Now, as we all know that Puravankara has a 48-year legacy of constructing beautiful homes, and they have delivered homes to over 45,000 happy families. Today I'm going to tell you more about their atmosphere. Now, why am I calling it their atmosphere? Because the way that they have constructed it in North Bengaluru, it is a world in itself, with 9 acres of residences and more than 3 acres of forest. This whole land parcel is of more than approximately 12 to 13 acres. And there are going to be lush forests and a couple of residences in this place. There's going to be a meditation zone and multiple amenities. Now, don't let me tell you everything right over here. There's so much more to tell you, which I'm going to tell you inside. But also let me tell you that there are going to be amazing schools, hospitals, malls, multiplexes around the area, and also the connectivity is amazing. We all know that from this area, the Kempegowda International Airport is just about 15 to 20 minutes, and also the National Highway 4 is just about 15 minutes from this place. Be it Stonehenge International School or be it Vidyashilp, everything is very close to this vicinity. Well, enough of me telling you about all of this outside. Now it's time for me to show you the project's 3D model. Let's go, stay with me. Now, what stands between me and the residential towers is this forest area. Now, this forest area has been developed in a particular Japanese pattern, which is called as the Miyawaki, wherein the trees grow faster 30% as compared to the regular plantation. And that Buddha that you can see right over there in the forest is your meditation zone right inside the forest. Now let's move into the whole project and see what it looks like. From here, we will walk right into the project, and these are the ground floor amenities that you can already see. The tennis court that you saw, this is the swimming pool that will be on the podium level, and also they have multiple amenities that will be on the rooftop. Let me show it to you from the other side. World-class gymnasiums and also a jogging track right in the air on the 34th floor. As you can already see the amenities over here, these are all on the 34th floor. That means the tower rise is going to be of 33 floors. Again, we can see there are some more amenities on the ground floor on this side as well. That's your basketball court, and this is going to be your kids play area. Underneath these ones is going to be your parking, and there's also a box cricket available over there along all of these greeneries that you can see. Now, all the roads are going to be accessible for cars, but all the green areas are going to be only for walkways and for pathways. Now, the configurations they have in these towers is going to be from 2 BHK onwards to 3, 3.5 and 4 BHKs. But currently the left ones are only of 3 and 3.5 BHKs. So you need to hurry, but I also need to hurry to show you the flat from inside and then also tell you about the carpet areas that are available and a lot of stuff that is there inside the house waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Join me to take a look, or rather to take a tour of the house from inside. Let's go. And here I am just about to enter the house, but before I enter the house, I need to show you how was your house made, and that's exactly what we will show you. This is how your parking was made to perfection, and your interior finishes inside the bathroom quite sturdy and elegant. The staircases that we just climbed, the next level of excellence. The plumbing shaft and your balconies and the building exteriors that are indeed a joy to behold. Now before we enter the house completely, let me also tell you step 2 of your security, that is a digital door lock. Now this one can be operated with your fingerprint, with a digital key and also a physical key. Now I'm going to show you the rest of the house, but also let me tell you that they have 2 variants in the 3 BHK. One is of 1680 square feet and the other one is of 2005 square feet. What exactly is the difference is something that I'm going to tell you towards the end of the video. So you have to stay tuned with us. Now here we are in your grand living area. This one is a pretty spacious one, and despite being spacious, it also has a very cute and a spacious balcony as well. I'm sure you want to check it out. Let's go together. Here is the balcony. Now this sliding door takes you directly into the balcony and it has this beautiful toughened glass railing. The balcony is also covered from 3 sides for maximum protection. And it's time to come back. While the time you come back, also take a look at the flooring of the balcony, which is anti-skid tiles. And now let's move into the dining area. Now this space over here is your exclusive dining area, so that you can spend some family time, quality family time I'm going to call it. The living area is separate and the dining area has been kept as an individual entity altogether. And right next to your dining area are 2 bedrooms. First of all, I'm going to show you the guest bedroom. Let's take a look at this one. Now this over here is the guest bedroom that comes with a pretty big window for perfect ventilation and amazing lighting as well. And on the other side of your dining area is the other bedroom, your kids' bedroom. Let's take a look at it. Now the best part that I liked about it, though I'm standing at the entrance of the bedroom, you do not have direct access to the bedroom. There's a wall right behind me, and then is a washroom, and then is the bedroom. Come, let's take a look at it. Here is the washroom of your kids' bedroom that comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, CP sanitary fittings, and also a glass shower partition. And this over here is the kids' bedroom. Now this one also comes with a pretty big window right over here. This window, half of it is a sliding window, half of it comes with a fixed toughened glass, and this window will take you directly into nature, because as I told you that these buildings are going to be of a 33 floor height, and the 34th floor is of course full of amenities. Now this window also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito mesh over here. And I'm sure now you want to see the master bedroom. Well, the master bedroom is indeed a masterpiece, and you have to come and take a look at it. Right over here, opposite this bedroom and next to the guest bedroom is your master bedroom. Again, the same concept has been taken care of, that your bedroom is not directly accessible. At the entrance is your walk-in wardrobe and the attached toilet and wash to it. This is your walk-in wardrobe that comes with a window so that it is also well lit other than the lighting, and this over here is the attached toilet and wash to it. Now this also comes with a similar glass shower partition and also the anti-skid flooring. And now the best part about the master bedroom is the balcony. But there is one very cute and thoughtful thing that they have done again in the master bedroom. So there are multiple windows. The window that we saw in the walk-in wardrobe, and also there is another window right over here next to the balcony, so that there is good cross ventilation. Now this window will allow the air to come in, flow in properly, and also do a cross ventilation, and also allow the light to come in from multiple directions. Now this also keeps your bedroom well lit, which is also a very pleasant thing. And now here is the balcony. The balcony of this room is also a very cute one because it is covered from the top and it is open from two different sides. Let's take a closer look at this one. As you can see, this is the covered balcony from one side, and from two sides it's been kept open. Now you can already notice that because of this particular setup, it is also pretty windy and it stays fresh all the time. So this is one open side and the other open side is right opposite me over here. Did I also forget to show you the kitchen of the house? Let's quickly go and do that, because I had promised you that I'm going to tell you what is the difference in the 2005 square feet and the 1680 square feet 3 BHK. So from your dining and your living, the best accessible part is the kitchen. It comes without any walls, because of which there is no obstruction, so the person cooking can of course talk to you as well. And even if you have guests, and you can always have an interaction at this service table or at this mini dining table, which is specially for two people. Now here is the kitchen that comes with an island table over here for your work, and this is the L-shaped granite slab that comes with your kitchen and hob. And over here they have provided some great space for your refrigerators. Along with that, now I have to show you the best part of the house, right? The reason why this house is of 2005 square feet. Let's go and take a look at it. This is the entrance to your maid's room, and this connects very well to the kitchen as well. And this over here is the dry utility area. Now they've already separated it with a tile drop so that the wet area stays separate. And now let's take a look at the maid's room over here. The maid's room also comes with an attached toilet and wash, which is right over here for the maids. And now, in case you're wondering, after seeing such a beautiful house, when and how will you be able to come and visit this property and the other shortlisted properties that you have shortlisted on Property Cloud? Well, stay with me. I'm just going to tell you what exactly you need to do so that you can be here. Stay with me. And now that you've seen the project, I'm sure you want to know how can you go ahead with the booking process? Well, it's very simple. There is a link that's mentioned right in the captions below. All you need to do is simply click on the link and we will contact you. That's right, you don't have to contact us, you don't have to do any effort. All you need to do is simply click on the link below, register yourself on Property Cloud so that our sales representative will get in touch with you, take you around the properties with a cab, that too with a free pickup and drop service as well. So everything is free. There is no effort required. It's hassle free, it's brokerage free, and also the pickup and drop service is absolutely free. Now, what are you waiting for? Quickly register yourself on Property Cloud so that we can help you buy your dream house very quickly. And do not forget that this is Bengaluru and you need to plan your site visits so that you can do it effortlessly and seamlessly. Quickly do that. I'm going to see you soon. Thank you.